So I just got to the Margaritaville Times Square resort. Super cute. Things I noticed immediately, loads of power, so much power. And then the view's pretty good. I'll take you over here, show you that first. It's got a desk, TV, and yes, it has a phone. View's pretty good. And then go back this way. It's got a bathroom. There's no mini bar, but they do have room service, rainfall shower, eco-conscious shampoo, slippers. There is a Keurig, so that's good. Oh, and they leave you a little box of truffles when you arrive. They're right there.